Hey trackies, welcome back to another video here on TXT Track Time. Please remember to like the video, like up the video, and also subscribe to the channel. Please also head on over to our Instagram page, that is TXT Track Time, and give us a follow there as well. The link will be in the description. Warning, warning, warning. Team USA has fired shots, trackies, and this time, to my dismay, they may very well land. Now, what am I talking about? Well, Noah Lyles has decided that he wants a sprint world record come hell or high water, and he has called in some heavy hitters, trackies. Now, Noah Lyles has called into bat the likes of Kenny Benerick and Aaron Knighton to break the 4x200m world record at the next World Relays that will be held in Bahamas in 2024. Noah Lyles took to his Twitter to broadcast his intentions, and this is what he said. Yo, at Arian K, at Kenny Benerick, we should go break that 4x200m world record. And guess what, trackies? Kenny Benerick has already replied. He said, count me in. And he also had a suggestion. It's about time the Olympics and the World Championships also include the 4x200m relay. Well, trackies, this world record is held by none other than Jamaica. The team consisting of Johan Blake, the second fastest ever over the 200m distance, and the Olympic silver medalist Warren Ware, Olympic bronze medalist. Both him and Johan Blake were part of Jamaica's 1-2-3 in the 200 meters at the London 2012 Olympic Games. Nickel Ashmead, multiple time 4x100m relay gold medalist, and Jermaine Brown, a world indoor 4x4 bronze medalist, set the 4x200m world record back in 2014 of 1 minute 18.63 seconds. Now, trackies, Jamaica had ripped that world record out of the hands of, you best believe it, United States of America. The team consisting of Michael Marsh, Leroy Burrell, Floyd Hurd, and Carl Lewis had run 1 minute 18.68 seconds to set the world record back in 1994. Well, it seems as though this world record is about to go back to its owner, the mighty USA. Now, trackies, Noah Lyles has been targeting all the world records in his disciplines, which are held by none other than Jamaica in the sprints, even drawing the ire of Jamaicans, alluding that breaking the 100m and 200m world record would be easy. Well, trackies, in recent times in 2023, he declared that he would be going after the 200m world record of 19.19 seconds, held by Usain Bolt again after running an American record equal in time of 19.31 seconds back in 2022 at the World Championships on home soil in Eugene, Oregon. And not only that, but boldly claiming that the American 4x100m team would be attempting the 4x100m world record as well in Budapest. As it relates to the 100 meters, he has tempered his expectations a bit. However, I have no doubt in my mind that he also wants that world record. However, it seems as though he has now come to the realization, or it has dawned on him, that those records will be hard to get, and it's not as easy as he may have originally thought, especially after running rounds at a major championships. Anyway, trackies, so Noah Lyles has decided to target another world record. The 100m didn't work, the 200m hasn't worked, and the 4x100m has not worked. So this time around, he is targeting the 4x200 meters. However, trackies, I believe this time his team will most likely get it. As a matter of fact, in my mind, this world record is considered gone. Now, trackies, Noah has been getting in my good books recently in the off season, but he just had to strike a nerve and put himself back on my hit list. Just kidding, trackies. Records are meant to be broken, and for the continued development of the sport and track and field, this highly depends on the ability of the present and future athletes to break world records set by the greats. Now, when I look at the American team in recent years in the men's 200 meters, they have truly entered a glory period, even walking away with a 1-2-3 at the World Championships in 2022 in Eugene, Oregon. Now, trackies, do y'all understand why I said the world record would go and why I'm also currently sweating? Alright, trackies, so when we look at each athlete pound for pound in comparison to the team that set the world record back in 2014, you will see that it is very, very possible for the world record to be shattered in 2024. Now, Noah Lyles has a best of 19.31 seconds and Johan Blake at the time 19.26 seconds. Aaron Knighton has a best of 19.49 seconds. Warren Weir a best of 19.79 seconds. Then we move over to Nikhil Ashmead. He has a best of 19.85 seconds, while Kenny Benerick has a best of 19.68 seconds. Now, track is based on the times that I've quoted. Clearly, these three from America are much better than the three, save Johan Blake that ran a 19.26, but collectively, track is these three are much better than the three that set the world record from Jamaica back in 2014. Now, do I really need to continue? Well, I am going to anyway, but still, thinking about it, I don't have to. Anyway, then you can literally drag for any random American sub-20 athlete, and then we had Jermaine Brown with a best of 20.28 seconds. Now, track is, though these times don't all reflect what they were or are capable of in the season that the world record was set or will be attempted, it is not that far off. And when you look at the landscape of sprinting in the United States of America, last season alone, they had 8 guys running sub 20. So, track is, do you all agree with me that that world record, yes, the 4x200m world record set by Jamaica back in 2014 at the World Relay Games is gone? Track is, it's such a pity now that I'm looking at it and I'm talking about the times the athletes posted in terms of personal best, prior to the world record being set or during the time that the world record was set. There was no Usain Bolt. I mean, a man that has run 19.19 seconds. Track is the current 200m world record holder, and of course the fastest man ever over the 100 meters as well. That man was missing from this relays. So, track is, even though America may very well wipe out, or I should say will very well wipe out that 4x200m world record, we can say proudly that, you know what, our very best was not a part of that relay team, whilst America will have to use their very best to shatter the world record. So anyway, trackies, y'all sound off in the comment section below and let me know your thoughts. America has a pretty powerhouse team heading into the world relays. I'm talking about Noah Lyles, 19.31 seconds. Then we have Aaron Knighton, 19.49 seconds. Then Kenny Benerick with 19.68 seconds. And as I said, literally, you can put in any other sub 20 American. It could very well be Fred Curley or maybe Christian Coleman. Those guys are very competent as well over the 200-meter distance, or as I said, literally any other random sub 20 200-meter sprinter would do. Trackies, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this 4x200-meter world record attempt by the United States of America, and what do you think about the construct of the team? So far, Noah Lyles is a go. So far, Kenny Benerick is a go. The only man left right now is Aaron Knighton. But let's say Aaron Knighton does not want to join the fun. Who do you think should take part in this 4x200 meters for the world record to go? Trackies, as usual, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.